universe? What is universe? Answer: the galaxies and innumerable comets, asteroids, dust, space rocks together form the universe. Together form the universe. So first, what is the first question, children, in your classwork? So first question is, what is universe? In universe andre, so what is universe, children? The galaxies. See the board, children. And 8 ಕೊಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. So when I am giving you have to say along with me. Children, what is universe? What is universe? The galaxies and innumerable comets, asteroids, dust, space rocks together form the universe. So each question answers I am going to tell you 5 times, children. With spelling I will tell and give you. So look at the board. You have to say along with me. What is universe? What is the spelling of what? W-H-A-T, what? W-H-A-T, what? I-S is U-N-I-V-E-R-S-E, universe. What is universe? Answer: the galaxies. T-H-E-the-G-A-L-A-X-I-E-S, galaxies, and innumerable, I-N-N-U-M-E-R-A-B-L-E, innumerable comets, C-O-M-E-T-S, comets, asteroids, A-S-T-E-R-O-I-D-S, asteroids, dust, D-U-S-T, dust, space rocks, S-P-A-C, space, R-O-C-K-S, rocks, together, T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, together form, F-O-R-M, form the, T-H is the universe, U-N-I-V-E-R-S-E, universe. Understood, children? What is universe? What is universe? The galaxies and innumerable comets, asteroids, dust, space rocks together form the universe. Understood, children? What is universe? The galaxies and innumerable comets, asteroids, dust, space rocks together form the universe. Understood, children? W-H-A-T, what? I-S is U-N-I-V-E-R-S-E, universe. What is together, 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 form, 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 THE, the UNIVERSE, universe. Understood, children? After the sentence, you have to put the full stop here. Question while answer after completing the sentence, we have to give full stop. Understood, children? So this is full stop. So while writing question, after question, you have to put question mark. It indicates question mark. Question. Understood, children? So this is a sign of question mark. So what is galaxy? Sorry, what is universe? The galaxies and innumerable comets, asteroids, dust, space rocks together form the universe. This is common, children. Together form the universe. See, children, once last time I will go to tell and give you what is universe. The galaxies and innumerable comets, asteroids, dust, space rocks together form the universe. Understood, children? What is universe? The galaxies and innumerable comets, asteroids, dust, space rocks together form the universe. Understood, children? So this one you have to practice one time question, three time answer. One time question, three time answers na bardu rough book ಅಲ್ಲಿ practice ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So write one time question and three times answer, children. While writing, you have to tell the spelling. Read by the THE, the. You are going to write it 4 times now. So like this, your page is there now. So you have to write in these 3 lines now. THE, the galaxy, GALAXIES, galaxies, and innumerable, INNUM, ERABLE, innumerable comets, COMETS. So after the word, you have to give a one space finger. Understood, children? One word have to give it one finger space make ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. So the galaxies and innumerable comets, like this you have to practice and write, children. So while writing class also you have to follow the lines. So we have to write T, you have to touch the first. So while writing first line, in the first line start ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ should write in capital. Capital means in big letter you have to write. Understood, children? So first question is, what is universe? The galaxies and innumerable comets, asteroids, dust, space rocks together form the universe. Next question, define star. Next question is, define star. DEFINE, define star. STAR, star. Define star. Answer is the twinkling object THE, the twinkling, TWINKLING, twinkling objects, OBJECTS, objects are ARER, noun, KNOWN, noun, as stars, STARS, stars. There are millions of stars twinkling in the sky. There are After the full stop, we have to again start with capital letter. So this is the complete sentence. So after sentence, we are going to put full stop, children. So again, we have to start with capital letters. There are millions, millions, millions of stars twinkling and and shining, SHINING, shining in the sky, in THE, the SKY, sky. So again full stop. After the full stop, I have to start with capital letter. THEY, they are, ARER, far, FAR, far away, AWAY, away from us, FROM, from us, 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 and and look very tiny, TINY, tiny. So it completes. So we're going to give full stop. So this is second one, children. So what is second question? Define star. In star, children, the twinkling objects are known as stars. There are millions of stars twinkling and shining in the sky. They are far away from us and look very tiny. So define star means, second question is define star. Which spelling I am going to tell and give children? We have to tell along with spellings. So second one is define stars. The twinkling, which spelling I am going to tell you? Define, DEFINE, define star, STAR, star. THE, the TWINKLING, twinkling objects, 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 ARER, KNOWN, noun, as stars, STARS, stars. There are THERE, there, ARER, millions, 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 OF of STAR, stars, twinkling, 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 and shining, 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 iron in THE, the SKY, sky. They are THEY, they are FAR, far away, AWAY, away from, FROM, from us, 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 and and look, LOOK, look very, BER, very tiny, TINY, tiny. Understood, children? So again see the board. Define star. The twinkling objects are known as stars. There are millions of stars. There are millions of Define star. STAR star. The twinkling. TH the TWINKLING twinkling objects. OBJECTS objects. ARAR KNOWN noun as 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 stars. STARS stars. There are THERE there. ARER there are millions. MILLIONS millions of of stars. STARS stars. Twinkling 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 and and shining 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 in the iron in TH the in the sky SKY sky. They are THEY ARER they are far 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 away 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 from 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 us 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 and look 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 VER by very TIN by tiny. Understood children? Tiny. Define star. The twinkling objects are known as stars. There are millions of stars twinkling and shining in the sky. They are far away from us and look very tiny. Understood children? So we learned two question answers now. What is first one? What is universe? What is universe means? The galaxies and innumerable comets, asteroids, dust, space rocks together form the universe. Understood children? Next, third one. Describe our solar system and name its planets. Describe our solar system